5 Easy Ways to Start Learning Artificial Intelligence Today. Greetings from AskTenali.com. Kickstart your journey into artificial intelligence with these 5 easy steps. Learn the basics, explore free tools, join communities, and start creating your AI projects today. Perfect for beginners. Think AI is too complex? Here's how you can start learning today, no matter your background. Overview of what AI is and why it's a must-have skill. Step 1. Understand the basics. What is AI? Artificial intelligence, AI, involves creating systems capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence, like decision-making, problem-solving, and language understanding. Machine learning, ML. A subset of AI, where algorithms learn from data to make predictions or decisions without explicit programming. Deep learning. A more advanced ML method using neural networks to mimic the human brain's structure, ideal for complex tasks like image recognition. Beginner-friendly resources. Articles, AI basics on blogs like Medium or Towards Data Science. YouTube, channels like Simplilearn or Crash Course AI. Courses, Freecode Camp, Coursera's AI for Everyone. AI Step 2, Explore free tools. Start experimenting with AI using beginner-friendly platforms like Google Colab, a free, cloud-based environment to write and execute Python code without needing complex setups. It's great for trying out machine learning models. TensorFlow Playground, an interactive visualization tool to explore neural networks and understand how they learn, even without coding experience. These tools allow you to experiment and learn AI fundamentals practically, breaking down the barrier of advanced technical expertise. Step 3. Learn through projects. Start applying your AI knowledge by working on simple, hands-on projects. For example, you could build a basic chatbot using Python libraries like NLTK or Chatterbot. Online tutorials guide you step-by-step to create these projects, helping you solidify concepts like natural language processing, NLP. Focus on real-world problems that interest you, such as sentiment analysis, image recognition, or recommendation systems. Practical projects not only improve your skills but also strengthen your portfolio for career opportunities. Step 4. Join communities. Joining AI-focused communities is vital for growth and networking. Platforms like Kaggle offer real-world datasets and competitions, allowing hands-on practice and collaboration. Reddit hosts forums such as r/machine learning and r/artificial intelligence, where professionals and enthusiasts discuss trends, share resources, and troubleshoot challenges. Peer learning in these spaces accelerates understanding, provides mentorship opportunities, and keeps you updated on the latest industry developments. Networking within such communities can also lead to collaborations or career opportunities in the AI domain. Stay curious, AI Step 5. Staying curious means keeping up with AI advancements by reading news, research papers, and blogs regularly. Explore trusted platforms like OpenAI, MIT Technology Review, or Medium's AI-focused publications. Subscribe to newsletters or podcasts to stay updated effortlessly. This habit helps you understand trends, emerging tools, and groundbreaking applications, keeping your learning relevant and inspiring new ideas. Subscribe for more beginner-friendly AI tutorials and tips. Thank you.